Last day I have taught the sea song. Last day you have already written one questions and answer also, and I am just telling, please all the students, please don't send anything, please. This is the class, chat option, don't send all these things. And also mute your microphone, stop your front camera. Every day I am requesting you. And one thing I want to tell you that you have got already the routine of your assessment number 1. Okay. So, this assessment will be held according to the syllabus of PT1. You have already got the syllabus of PT1. So many times revision had been done, and MCQ means multiple choice questions you will get, and you will do the answer like this tick mark of your questions. Option you will get, 4 options you will get, and you have to do the answer according to your book, according to PT1 syllabus. And one thing I am just telling you, no need to be worried about that. Be honest and give the exam. And all the information, besides that, all the informations you will get through our Skype and also BMS website. And again, if you are having any questions, in my e-portal chat option, you can ask and I will give the answer. English? Okay, and very nice. Srijita, Shoris, if you are having, you can ask through my chat option, e-portal. Okay. E-portal, you can do that, and every day. So, please don't send any emoji, GIF, anything. Okay. And everybody, please. Sorry, we will do that roll call. Roll call. 16. Student 16 option. Afrin Tamanna, mute that. Afrin Tamanna, mute your micro. Ankon Shaha, Ayantika Shi, Ayush Mondal, Chaudhary, Afroz Horsen, Daksha A, Dibyanka, Ishan Hajra, Arindam Sharkhel, and Noreen Jaman, Shankalan Chaudhary, Sharina Susan, Srijita Mitro, Shauris Mondal, Shauri Hajra, so here last day I have told you 3 pine call is going on, sir. Three oak, here, all this. Please, Dibyanka, don't record all these things. Video also, please don't record. Whatever you are doing here, you are fill up exam. You will get Shouri's one link through our Skype. Okay, link means actually that link through our Skype within today, and all this MCQ, I think you have given the Olympiad exam also, like this MC, and also in your exam also tick marks questions are there, multiple choice, like 4 options are there, whatever tick you will give that, okay, that things you will do, like this bird talk, so one poem is there, if I am telling the name the 2 bird, so 4 option will be there, that Robin and Joy, that Kakku and Moina, like this, whatever the name of the bird, you can just click it from your mobile and also from your computer mouse. So, option will be there, then you will get the good answer. So, there only you can do that. Okay. So, in Skype here, no problem, in your e-portal, not Skype, e-portal, I think you have got the routine. Have you got the routine? Again you will ask to my chat option, means my e-portal, and like here you are just getting that option, like your students YouTube class when you are opening, that time student options, sometime you are submitted your homework assignment. So, there you will go, you will get there submitted homework, besides that you will get one link within today, but do not open the link. You will open the link according to your exam time. You know that exam time already you have got. Okay, why you don't know e-portal, Shorish? Because all this e-portal you are having one student e-portal. You will open your e-portal. You are having one number, ID, student ID is there, e-portal is there, everything. Okay, so please do all this. Yes, obviously, phone, computer, wherever you are having link, you should open your e-portal through your ID, student's ID. Okay, like this YouTube classes, when you are opening submitted homework, you have already submitted homework, assignment, like this. You will open, there you will get link, and also from that link, time wise, you have got the time when your when math exam will be held, when your English exam will be held. That time, according to your time, the 20 options will be there, 20 multiple choice questions will be there, and 20 answers will be there. So, the right answer you will click, and after that, after 20 minutes, you will just 20 minutes, after 20 minutes, you will be just auto submitted. You can also submit or auto submitted. Okay, beta? So, please do like this. And here, yes, Ayush, you can do your exam, you can give your exam through phone. Through phone, through computer, just open your e-portal, students, given the student's ID, there you will get the link. Okay, and according to your time, exam time, you will sit, will do this, all submit. And if you cannot submit, after 20 minutes, it will be auto submitted. After that, if you are having any question, please ask me in my e-portal chat option. Okay, so today I will write the question number 2. What did the child do with the shell? What did the child do? Number 1, question number 1 I have already written. Question number 2, what did the child do with the shell? What did the child do with the shell? So, here the question you have known that last day I told, where did the child find the seashell? The child found the seashell on the sand near the sea or on the sea beach, whatever you can. And what did the child do? He picked it up and took it home and give it to his mother. So, we can write, yes, Ayush, whatever, wherever you have got the link or net connection, you can give the exam, no need to worry about the exam. So, question number 2, answer number 2, the child picked the shell, picked the cell and took it to his home and gave it to his mother. Again I am telling, the child picked the shell and took it to his home and gave it to his mother. So here the child found the first one. Where did the child found the seashell? Child found the seashell. Child found the seashell near the sea beach or on the sea beach, on the sand near the sea, whatever you can write. What did the child do with the shell? The child picked the shell. Child picked the shell and took it to his home and gave it to his mother. Okay, gave his to his mother. So number 3, what did the child hear? What did the child hear? So first one please, second one you write, then I will write number 3, question number 3. Wahid Isha, where were you up to that? You did not join. Last day onwards, whenever we have just started the attendance, and before that we did not do the attendance. Attendance always was there. So question number 3 I can write. Question number 2 I have already written. Question number 3. This is answer number 2. Question number 3. What did the child hear? What did the child hear? So answer number 2, again I am reading that child picked the shell and took it to his home and gave it to his mother. And question number 3, what did the child hear? So answer number 3 I am writing. The child heard which book? I have written the Sea Song, Ayantika. What is this? Sea Song is not grammar book, it is oh, 3 o'clock. So here the child he heard a soft, sweet song from the cell. Marigold, Ayantika, marigold page number also I have told, page number 35. Sea Song I have already written, last day also I have done. You did not see that board properly. The child heard a soft sweet song from the cell. after that, word building is there. Pick the rhyming words from the box and pair them in the spaces below. The first one has been done for you. Avantika, please write the questions answer in your copy. No need to type. And Sheikh Wahid, what happened? Answer number 2. Answer number 2, I have already twice I have repeated. Okay, what did the child do with the shell? The child picked the shell up and to his home and gave it to his mother. 3 sentences, 3 small sentences I have joined. Child picked the shell up to his home, picked it up and took his home and gave it to his mother. Again I am telling, the child picked the shell up and took it to his home and gave it to his mother. Sheikh Wahid, what are you typing for a long time? Daksha also, what are you problem? What are you having any problem? Please tell me. And why you are typing that after that you did not tell anything to me? So page number 35, I am just writing that page number 35. Number 1 found, then sound. Number 2, word building, cold, bold. Number 3, took, sound, then sand, bold, took, look. Then after sand, hand, you can write inside your book and also copy, no problem. Sand, hand, then mummy, tummy. Oh, exam MCQ question, I told that one I have already revised, ma'am, Neha ma'am also revised once. Like this, you can see that the grammar, the sentence starts with capital letter or full stop. You know that sentence start with capital letter. And here the bird dog, name the 2 birds. If I am telling Robin and Joy, and if I am telling Robin and Ram. So what you can tell? Robin and Joy. So all these types of question will come, okay, in MCQ. Syllabus for the PT1 you will see in your website, Bardwan Model School website. You will open, there you will get syllabus, PT1 syllabus, okay. Periodic test syllabus. Assessment number 1, 20 marks question will be there, 20 marks, also 20 questions will be there, and answer also you have to choice and did it and do it. Please do in your home according to time. Within today you will get link, and also you can get all the instruction through Skype or Bardwan Model School website. Okay, beta? All these things you will get in our website, Bardwan Model School website. No question answer, Ayantika. I told so many times, only multiple choice questions and answer also there. So, question number 2, fill in the blanks with opposite word choosing from the box below. Fill in the blanks that found, hard, inside. Found, lost, they have given. Then hard, inside, took, big, came. Hard obviously soft. Opposite here number 2. Hard, soft. Then inside, outside. Then took, gave, big, small, came, went, Okay, Ayush, very good. No need to show me like this, okay? It's very good, I know that. Came, went, pick, P-I-C-K, pick, drop, pick, drop, true, false, curly, straight, I think, straight, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. Then cold, hot, sweet, sour, sweet, bitter they have given. Sweet, bitter, tall, short. So again I am telling from first, hard, soft, inside, outside, took, gave, big, small, came, went, pick, drop, true, false, curly, straight, cold, hot, sweet, bitter, tall, short. So here today up to this, again I am just telling that all the best for your exam. You need not to worry. It will be very easy for your exam. Okay. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day. All the best again I am telling. Thank you.